Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today, as you guys will see from the screen, I'm in a place called Wabasso Causeway located in Vero Beach, Florida. This causeway has a boat ramp that connects into the Indian River. There's a few islands in the distance. I'm gonna be visiting one of them because today, thanks to Boats to Go, they loaned me the Saturn SD415. This thing is a beauty. Gorgeous, plenty of space for me to go. It usually comes with 3 seats. I'm only using 2. I'm leaving space here for some gear. I currently have my 12 horsepower Henkai powering it today. It really is a 9.8 horsepower Tohatsu clone. So it's basically a 10 horsepower just to be clear with you guys. That motor should be pushing me about 19, maybe 20 miles per hour. I tested it with my CK380. That's usually the speeds I'm gonna be getting. And let's see, what else should I do about the introduction besides this thing being so darn beautiful? Yeah. I say, let me jump in the water and get started. Alrighty. Today I'm gonna be heading north to all those islands. Let's go ahead and get started. Engine should be quite warm already. I got some stores coming in on the afternoon, so I came here really early. It's like, what time is it right now? It's 7:05 in the morning. I plan to spend maybe an hour or 2 out here before the storms come in. All right, let me go past the bridge, and then I'm gonna punch it after that. Let's see how we go. So far, it's moving nicely. No issues there. Beautiful. All right, it is time to punch it. Here we go. As expected, I am catching plane quite nicely. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Usually I will make the water reviews like on a local lake around my home, but lately I've been deciding to take the boats to places that I actually go with, go to, like the small islands, in its element in what I actually do. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the action camera so you guys can see further from here, further from me, and then I'll do the drawing. Okay, so I got you guys on the big selfie stick. Should give you a better image of what I'm doing. That was super fun. Let me turn off the engine. I want to show you guys something because this thing is cavernous. Let me stand up. I'm standing up right now. Look, I'm standing up right now. This thing is quite cavernous. Gosh, that's a beautiful sunrise. Plenty of space. Oh yes. Let me go up front. Sorry for the bad angle, everybody. Back on the front. Yep. That looks awesome. All right, so I believe I've shown you guys some pretty good angles so far. It moves so well that my engine is over revving. Like seriously, I have to tone it down a little bit. With this boat, just by myself, it's over revving. So with that power plant, let's say 2 people in some gear, that will push you just fine. Now, if you start getting into 3 people, maybe 4 in some gear, you might want to jump up to like the Henkai 18 horsepower or an equivalent, like a 15 horsepower Yamaha or a Tohatsu or Mercury and things like that. I know that the Henkai 18 horsepower is a 15 horsepower clone from the Yamaha 2-stroke outboard. Similar parts and everything. So if you guys are looking for a budget motor, that's not a bad choice. They're pretty good. All right, enough dilly-dallying. Let me go ahead and head to one of the islands. I think I found the island I want to go to. That one, right there. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Not rocky, is it? No, it's not shallow. No. Yeah. I wouldn't mind stopping there for a bit. Yeah. A little adventure, right? Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna spend some time here. All right, so it's starting to get shallow here. Let me go ahead and turn up the engine. Pull this sucker up. Let me show you. I'm gonna put you guys in here a minute. All right, let me go and row. It's a bit shallow here, no doubt about that. I've never been to this little island. I mean, I've been to the Indian River, to several other, whatchamacallums, small islands. This is the first time I come to this one. All right. Seems okay, I think. Ew, no. Ugh. This one's dirty and smelly. Never mind. Look. This one's filthy and smelly. No, no, sir. I'm gonna go pick another one. All right. All right, so I'm looking at that one. Right in that section right there. I want to see if I can dock in there. Yeah. That's the plan. That's a good spot, all right. Nobody's in it? Nope. Nobody's in it. It's mine. That spot is mine. For a little while. For a little while. Nice. All right, so this is gonna be my little spot for a little bit. I'm gonna turn off the engine. Move it up. Like before, I'm gonna leave you guys right here. You guys get to see a little bit more than the usual. I'm enjoying making these video reviews with actual adventures, you know? I like it, I like it. Let me go ahead and row in. You guys get to see everything that I do with these boats myself. Like, this is what I actually do, personally. All right. And get out a bit. Settle here. Nice. All right. We're going to relax a little bit. All right, so I picked this little island. Looks nice. This will be a nice little island to go camping in too. Very nice, very spacious too. There's the boat. It's chilling. Little signage right there about the islands, 4 islands. Hello, everybody. I believe I've been able to show you what this little boat is all about. It catches plane quick. I was quite surprised about that personally. To the point that the motor was over revving. That was actually pretty cool. I had to actually slow down a bit because it was just over revving, and it's well made, it's well put together. It's nice, it's very nice. Mwah. I present to you guys the Saturn SD415. If you guys are looking for a reliable, inexpensive, biggest bang for the buck in the market, inflatable, this will be a good choice. It really is. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will leave you guys with that. I will also put links of this above and below. Do check them if you happen to purchase them using that link. It helps me a lot. I'll put links of the motor too and the 18 horsepower. You know, you don't have to. The beauty of inflatables is you don't need a trailer per se. I had this in the back of my car and dragged it here, inflated it, went into the water. Inflatables, there is something else. See you guys in the next one. Later.